Hey everyone, this is the portable dishwasher I bought. It was delivered today. It's a control panel. I did turn it on and made sure it worked, and the control panel lights up, which means it should work. It was delivered a few hours ago. So the baskets. Oh, it's still got a piece of rubber band still on it. Because this is the top sprayer arm. And there's the bottom one. And what you see on the side is plastic. Because this thing was covered in plastic when it was delivered. And I also bought, I have one more item left on my inventory list, which is another TV, and that should be about it. I did buy another jump box. I also bought a 7.5-foot Christmas tree today. He had put it in the garage. I did take a look at the tree at the at Hobby Lobby because that's where I bought it at. If I can get in there. There's the 7.5-foot Christmas tree I bought. You can't really tell what it looks like, but it is a beautiful, very beautiful full tree. Has color changing lights. Don't know how well the camera can pick it up, but it says 2200 color changing 8 function cluster LED lights. So I pretty much got about everything on my list. I have one more item to get, which is a 50-inch TV, but I'm not going to worry about it right now because I've got 3 of the 4 TVs. This is what the dishwasher came in. And then that was the Blu-ray player box. Oh, not that old stereo. But yeah, I was able to get pretty much everything on my list. Like I said, I just have one more item to get. I had 54 items. 2 items I'm not going to buy because I really don't need them, which is a recliner because I really don't need it because I bought that whole furniture, the whole house furniture set, so I don't need that. And I'm not going to buy another hot tub because I don't really need that. But the other thing that I'm going to buy is that last TV when I get a chance. But I pretty much bought everything on my list. That's the Christmas tree I bought. I got it today. Regular price was like $550, and it was on sale from $550 to like $574, or $550 is the regular price, and it was on sale from $550 to $274 with tax. It was like $294 with tax. And when I looked it up online, that's about a $600 tree, and I got it for half price at Hobby Lobby. And there's a snow blower. A lot of the other stuff I have is still in boxes that I have not taken out because don't really need them right now. And some of this stuff was stuff that I was able to save from the old house. And there's my gas grill that I have not taken out of the box yet either. And the cooler. But yeah, I pretty much got everything on my list. The walk behind weed eaters underneath that stuff over there. Yeah, like I said, I pretty much got everything on my list. So, and I was able to save some Christmas ornaments that I had. Those are in here. That box right there, that is the pull behind dump trailer for the riding lawnmower. But yeah, I pretty much got everything on my list other than the one item. Because out of 54 items, I'm only going to buy 52 items, and the other 2 items I really don't need, so. Even though that they paid me partially for those 2 items, it's like I don't really need those 2 items. So. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.